Hello and welcome back. I'm a good friend of Owen's, as you know, doing part of the Chitin Challenge, but I thought I'd also help keep you updated on a different way of growing my potatoes. I'm doing an experiment of seeing whether shop-bought potatoes which have gone past their best and started chitting can actually grow potatoes. So, due to not being able to plant to the ground, I decided to experiment with grow bags as well. So at the moment I've just put 6 inches of good compost in the bottom there. I've already done one over there to see how it would work, but I'll just show you how I do the rest of these. So, just a small experiment. I'm sure Owen will give me some more advice on what I need to do and what not. Because it's all about experimenting, because this is my first proper year of growing solo. I've done bits in the past with my parents when I was younger, but nothing major. So if any of you guys have any recommendations, please hit me up. Here we are. So and I've got 5 in each, so hopefully it doesn't matter really if I get a crop, because these are the same, all purchased from a well-known supermarket brand. Can't say from where, but they were going to waste, and in this current climate, why waste anything? And all I'll do now is cover with a bit of more compost. Sorry about filming, I meant to do this on my flat iPhone whilst being one-handed. I am also going to be doing some more vegetables later in the coming weeks, with carrots, parsnips, and some lovely seeds donated by Owen himself. I think I've got some leeks from Owen and some parsnips. I'm going to go sweet corn next year, I think, because I think I will have to plant them in the ground once I finally get a chance to fully develop my veg patch and get time off work to do so. One advantage I will say over these grow bags is they can grow anywhere, and I have a condition known as ankylosing spondylitis, which does restrict me bending over, so it does help with me being able to do this, because I don't have to bend over as far into my garden. I can lift these up to any height, which is beneficial for me. So if anybody else in the community of growing has a similar condition, please, you're not alone. And also, still get out there and do as much as you can, because once you stop using it, you lose it. That's my adage. This one. There we are, just water these now. The job's a good one. The other one. Sorry, the garden's a mess, guys. Not had a chance to get out. We've had some horrible weather up here in Flintshire. We've had snow, rain, the lot. And I work nights as well, so it's not the easiest. Oops. there we are, guys. Hope you enjoyed.